Skywatch is a space technology company that is bringing intelligence from space. They're a Waterloo-based company that will bring developers with a single access point to the world's best Earth observation data. Let's hear from the CEO and the co-founder of Skywatch, James Slifierz, on stage, please. James.
You did pretty good. Ooh. There are thousands of satellites going up into space to capture images like this. It is unlocking amazing capabilities, like being able to monitor the world's shipping ports, or being able to monitor the activities of nefarious governments, or supplying autonomous farming machines with the data they need to improve crop yields and lower the cost of food production. The thousands of potential applications of satellite imagery should remind us of another space-based technology which we take for granted, GPS. GPS is such a great technology because we can use it without understanding anything about satellites. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for satellite imagery. To use it, you do need to understand satellites. And this has made accessing satellite imagery very expensive. Until now. Skywatch has built a machine-to-machine infrastructure which tightly integrates the world's satellite operators, space agencies, and ground stations. We abstract the complexity of all of that by providing our customers with a very simple-to-use API that allows them to programmatically integrate satellite imagery into their software in just a few minutes. And it's beautifully simple. Just one API call will tell us what your imagery requirements are. We then forward that request to the satellite, which we calculate is best suited to fulfill those requirements. Your image is captured, processed, and then returned to the API endpoint, where one API call can retrieve it to be displayed or analyzed inside of your application. So from your application to a sensor in space and back with just 2 API calls. It's like magic. And just to illustrate again how simple this is, let's imagine that you do want to monitor the world's shipping ports. Include your date range, coordinates, and your resolution, and we'll take care of the rest. Or imagine that you do want to monitor that uranium enrichment plant in North Korea. Include a frequency of 30 days, and we'll monitor it on a monthly basis for you. Or if you want to use satellite imagery to optimize the use of fertilizer and water on your farm, ensure that you include an output ID of NDVI. It's that simple. Skywatch is empowering billions of devices here to leverage the sensors up there. Thank you.